Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to switch accounts on Likee app. It's very easy guys, so let's get started. All right, so the first step you want to take is to of course open your Likee app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. All right, so once you click on that, at the top right corner, you're going to see these three dots right there. All right, so go ahead and click on that three dots and then click on settings. So once you're right here, just scroll all the way down and then you are going to see switch account option. Click on that. Once you click on that, you have to click on confirm, and then you see this add account option. Click on that and then you can now add a new account. All right, so whenever you want to switch your account, once you've added another account right here, you can always see the accounts to switch to right here. So the first step is to add an account so that you can make it appear right here so that you can always switch to it whenever you want to switch. All right, so that's it. All right, so hope this video was helpful and you now know how to switch account on Likee app. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.